This is what happens to your body when you drink hot water every day. What if I told you that a simple habit could transform your health in ways you never imagined? Drinking hot water every day might be the easiest yet most powerful health hack you're missing out on. Here's what happens to your body when you make it a daily habit. 1. Clears your sinuses and eases congestion. Ever notice how steam from a hot shower helps you breathe better? Drinking hot water has a similar effect. It loosens mucus, opens up nasal passages, and provides instant relief from congestion. If you struggle with allergies or sinus infections, this could be your natural remedy. 2. Boost digestion and metabolism. Hot water stimulates your digestive system, making it work more efficiently. It helps break down food faster and flushes out toxins, preventing bloating and indigestion. Plus, starting your day with hot water can kickstart your metabolism, supporting weight loss and better nutrient absorption. 3. Relieves constipation. Struggling with digestion issues? Drinking hot water softens stool, making bowel movements smoother and more regular. It relaxes the intestines and helps eliminate waste efficiently, reducing discomfort and bloating. 4. Improves blood circulation. When you drink hot water, your blood vessels expand, promoting better circulation. This means more oxygen and nutrients reach your organs, improving overall body function. It also helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your heart healthy. 5. Reduces stress and promotes relaxation. There's a reason why sipping on a warm drink feels comforting. Hot water calms your nervous system, reduces stress hormones, and helps you relax. It can also improve sleep quality, making it the perfect addition to your nighttime routine. Drinking hot water every day is a small habit with massive health benefits. So, are you ready to make the switch? Start today and feel the difference in your body.